What up, y'all? This is your boy Rhino in the flesh, baby. Welcome to the Rhino Talk Show video. Today I'm currently at Montana Swift. I was hoping to find I'm actually coming to review the Suzuki Swift, the sport version. So basically, I'm just holding in my paper because I actually know about the sport, but I didn't know how many ranges these Swifts come through. So we've got about 5 of them in the range, which is just gonna look outside the sport, guys, because I'm supposed to review the sport, but I'm actually going there now. But I'm actually at the showroom, so I'm just gonna show you the RS before but it comes in 5 ranges, which I will explain later. I'm just gonna show you the RS. That's how the RS looks like. And then I also have these in spec. So there's this, which is the GA, which is the entry level. And then we have the GL and then the GLX. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna take you straight to the RS. So this is before the sport. And then we will let's go to I'm just gonna drive through to the mall and let's look at the sport. So let me not waste your time, guys. Without further ado, just subscribe. It's just gonna be a few moments and then we see the sport. So what's up, guys? I'm back again. Welcome back to the second part of the show. So yeah, I'm here at Colonnade, and right behind me is the Suzuki Sport. So I'm just gonna go around it. This car is mean, guys. Sorry, there's no I don't know if you guys can hear me properly, but yeah, the lighting and the sound, this lighting is good, but the sound, because of the lot of trolleys, see, thanks to Nicolene and thanks to Jody from Suzuki, Montana. So I'm just gonna go around. Just hold on. So that's the Swift 2019. I'm holding here with me. This is the key. So that's how the key comes through. It's actually a push start. So you can imagine. This is how the small key is. So I'm just gonna show you the price, the specs. This car is a 103 kilowatt, guys. 230 Newton meter, and what else can I show you? What can I tell about? The rest I'll tell you in a minute, but this is from the side, as you guys can see. So fine, let's go inside since I'm having the key. Shout out to Jody, shout out to Nicolene. So this is the car inside. I'm loving it. I love this one of the reason is this is one of the sports heads that I like, guys. Like, I love this hatchback. I don't know if you guys can properly see me. I'm wearing black and I'm actually dark, but yeah, this is the key. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do this. Oh, okay, fine. This is the manual version. So this is a 6-speed, as you see there. The 6-speed. Don't worry about people outside. I'm actually in a mall, guys. My door is not closed. Okay, fine. So that's the radio there. She's pretty much neat. Let me switch on the lights. Let me just switch on the lights so that you guys can see. It's actually dark. She's not leather. She's stitched. She's actually having this nice. She's got the red stitch there, and then the sport. The only part which is there is this, and the seat is not leather. And then it has some nice. I don't know if this is chrome, and then the plastic there, and then yeah, for 315. I think this car's around 300,000, and it's a 1.4 liter. 0 to 100, I'm not so sure, but I'm probably thinking around 8 seconds. I'm not so sure. 7.9. That's the aircon. So I'm just gonna okay, since I've got, so this one is the manual version. The 6-speed comes with the flappy. It will have the flappy button here. So this is the function. Let's see what it has for us. Just gonna see. So it has cruise control on a manual, so that's also good. Two cup holders there, and by the door side, guys, I'm very sorry if you guys can really not see here. I'm struggling, but let's talk about the vehicle. Let's start it. Wow, I love I love this. I would want to review this car back at Montana at the showroom, because look at it. That's the start. So I can actually start it. Let's see how she sounds. Oh, fine. I switched it off. So I'm supposed to stop motion rear. I don't know what that is. I switched it on. So she's got daytime running lights. She's not in gear. Let's see it from outside. She's running, guys. So she already has the daytime running LED. Just gonna see there, as you guys can see. You see. So it's actually like the light goes like this. So yeah, it actually is a very beautiful hatch. Just gonna try and open the other door. I hope it does allow me to open the other door. Okay, fine. I can't open there. But this is a Sport Swift. That's how you determine it. She also has the carbon finish here. That's the carbon finish. She's a very nice hatch. I don't know if I can open this when the car is running, but yeah. And then the door handle. It's pretty much locked, so let me unlock it from here. Yes. So let's see the boot space. There she is. You guys can hardly see. I hope you guys can see, but yeah, she's actually a very beautiful. I'm trying to open the boot. Let's see the boot space. Pretty much boot space good. She's very much beautiful, guys. She's very much beautiful. Look at her. She's a nice car. She's a nice car. Shout out to Penta Suzuki Montana. Shout out to them. They gave me. I had to come to the mall to review this vehicle. But let's go back inside, and I'm just gonna. So this thing is touchscreen. Right.
Please say a command.
Can you put a radio on for me? I don't know what to show you, but yeah. I'm just gonna use the home
Ending
one.
speech recognition.
Nah, I don't know what that is, but yeah, it's pretty much touchscreen. I don't know how it is when you're driving, but yeah, let's go to the media. That's the USB port, aux, auxiliary Bluetooth. So it has Bluetooth. It's an aux cable. I can't see them. It's in the dark, guys. Okay, there's the USB cable there, and okay, aircon. Let me switch off that. But pretty much, I love the. Let me see the. I love the sport feel. Like, look at it, guys. Look at the dashboard. This is actually one of the. I think this is one of the fastest small sport hatches. The range of this car is. Swift brought it home on this vehicle. Like, I'm actually impressed in the appearance. So because I'm actually, this is the first time. This is a 2019 model. I'm trying to see how I can actually. Okay, now I've got to the radio because I can actually switch from there. So I'm just gonna put mute there. But what I'm interested in, is that it's the boost. So actually maybe that gauges the boost. That's the heat. I'm gonna cancel that. What else can I use? The cruise control, and then yeah, I'm not gonna rev it because I'm in a mall. So guys, you're not gonna hear the sound, unfortunately. Automatic this, climate control. It's already cold in this Swift. So this car, Jody and them were telling me it's about 315. So I'm just gonna switch it off. But I love the appearance. It's got that like ambience color. It's red. It's all red here, so you can be enjoying it. You can be enjoying it. That's the Swift. Most people don't know what it is to be in a Swift, but I am in one. So I'm actually impressed, guys. I'm sorry if you can for the light. I'm just gonna move you, but yeah, I'm impressed with the vehicle. Touchscreen radio. For 300,000, you can still enjoy what other big beasts do, because this is a 1.4 liter. Imagine with 103 kilowatts. So yes, I'm just gonna switch it off, and then it'll tell you drive time, motion control, rear and back. So I think that's actually when you saw you knew that and there. I was holding the key. So back again, guys, this is the key for the Swift. I'm just gonna go around and finish off the vlog around. So when you open the door, the start button shows you there, and then it's got traction control off. I love this stitching here. Swift really came, and Penta's design. I love the way Penta Suzuki did the stylishing. It's very pretty much very good. It's a very neat car, guys. Look at it. Looks mean. Looks like a beast of the hatches, like you were saying previously on the other video. But yes, this is the Swift, the Sport. The price, I'm just gonna go. So it's got a table. So they've got 6 manual speed and they've got a 6 automatic with the flap, like I said. It has almost everything that you can want in a small car. The suspension is Monroe, and this is the Swift, guys. This is the 2019 Beast, mini Beast or mini hatch Beast that Suzuki has for us. So yeah. I'm just gonna show you also again. Like I said, I love the Hawaii. So if you have to get this, if you have to add those kind of things like Penta Suzuki did, those wraps, those things, gonna be pretty much dope. But yeah, without further ado, guys, if this is the first time to the channel, please subscribe, please follow, please share, please like, and yeah, thank you for everyone at Penta Montana Suzuki, for Jody, Nicolene who's here on site. Please, if you come through, guys, also recognize them and thank them for me. But guys, yeah, this is me signing out to the vlog. If this is your first time, like I said, subscribe. If you're visiting again, if you never subscribed, please subscribe. This is the review for the Swift. Unfortunately, I could not really rev it in the midst of, because this is the mall. So yeah, guys, peace. Shout out, thanks.